mystery machine! Get your Scooby snacks! Haha! Racing champions did a killer on this one! Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. So classic cool! Racing champions in the house with a mystery machine. We've seen this so many different times and ways on so many different vans. But you gotta love it. It's Scooby! Fred, Wilma, Daphne! Ha ha! Oh, Shaggy! Reggie! Look at this interior. He got an 8-track tape player in there, I know for sure. Look at the little details in there. So much fun. This one has no chippy dippy on it whatsoever. It is clean as Whistler's mother. Oh boy. And here we go. Look at this. Racing Champions 1975 Chevy van Hanna-Barbera. Oh, we love Hanna-Barbera. Remember the Hair Bear Bunch? Woohoo! So much fun. Cartoons were cool back in the day. Look at those wheels. Look at that. That is crazy. And some low profile tires to make it a little modern. So, what do you think? Off to the mystery machine. And they would have gotten away with it if it wasn't for you meddling kids. Woo! Thanks you meddling kids. Come on in for some Scooby snacks. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be!